Hello guys, here is Yanlis, and today I'm going to introduce you one of our hot-selling rear-view mirror, this model KS0135. And now let's unpack this package and see what accessories are inside. Here we have a 9.66-inch rear-view mirror with a built-in camera, a rear camera, a bundle of power cable, a bundle of 6 meters camera extension cable, cable cover, one sticker and some screws. Because some of our clients are not that familiar with the installation, so let me introduce you the functions of cables one by one. Here we have this cable for GND, this is for ACC, and this is for battery, and we have the BMW connector, and here the camera extension cable. We also have the BMW connector, and this cable is the reversing trigger cable. This mirror is available for 12 voltage to 36 voltage vehicles. Now let me demonstrate you the connection of the mirror. This mirror has different video playing modes, can be changed by swiping the screen like this. And it also supports the split screen functions. We can adjust the angle of camera by swiping the screen up and down like this. Now, let me introduce the menu of this mirror to you. This mirror supports 24 hours parking monitor functions. And why is that parking monitor so important? If there is a collision or rob happens when you are not in the car, trust me, the parking monitor video can help you a lot. Whether you are driving or not, when your car suffers a collision, the G-sensor function will detect the external gravity, and the system will automatically activate this video lock to lock the important video. If you are interested in this product, please feel free to contact us. And thank you for watching our video today. See you guys next time. Bye!